Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. This is a weird camera angle, but I don't quite know what's in this, and I think it might work if you see me. I don't know. But I'm pretty sure it's from GAN. Let's take a look. Okay, well first, this looks like a new mat. That's not the same as the mat that I got for my Infinity. The GAN 356i mat. Okay. That's really cool. So, average of 5, average 12, average of 100, RU, R prime, U, R prime, F, R, F prime, R, U prime. Does that do something? No. Okay. U, R prime, F, R prime, F prime. Cool. That's a nice mat. Like the color. Almost matches my other one. The GAN robot. So, I'm going to check this out. I'm going to connect it, and we're going to do a bunch of solves right here on camera. So, from what I know about this, right now it only works with the GAN 356i, but I've been told that they're going to start turning some of their other puzzles, or have the other puzzles have center caps like this, so you can connect it to here as well. Now that was one of the big indicators that I know people in the WCA would be able to say, oh, that's not a legit puzzle. You could use it at competition because it has electronics in it by the center caps. But if they change the center caps, they'll have to go by other things. Oh, that's a nice case. I didn't think it was going to be all a case and everything, but like this is nice to travel with in the printed logo. Instruction manual. Ooh, we have an English side. Great. Okay. This is a charger. USB, so it charges USB. And we have the cable, and it's USB to, USB-C? Thunderbolt? I can't remember what that's called. I think it's USB-C. That's nice. Okay, so using newer technology. Should I read it first? Ooh, okay. These just pull out a little bit, stand up. And this, oh, there's a button you just push down. Okay, and you can just do that. That makes it really fast and easy. Nice. Is there a battery in here? Does it need power to connect? Well, I guess I will plug it in. Oh, that's not the right plug. Okay, so I have a small battery pack here. I'm just going to plug it in to that instead of, because I don't have an outlet that's near me. Get my other battery pack out and see if I can charge the cube here. I wonder how much power that's going to draw from the battery pack. I'm going to let this charge for a minute or two, and then I'm just going to shake the cube and see if it'll appear. Because usually, I mean, it's been sitting for a few days uncharged, but I don't think it should drop that much. Hey, so I basically just went to bed. So it's the next morning now. And let's see if everything is charged and working. So first off, let's turn this thing on. And that's the robot. Okay. Now, the cube. There it is. Awesome. Perfect. So, let's use this thing. Here's the button for it, and we'll do, I don't need quick solve. Let's do personal training first. I think I missed a move. Begin. Nope, already missed a move. Okay, try this again. Hey, so there was probably a random jump cut somewhere. And what happened is I thought that this was broken. It wasn't working ever. I wasn't getting complete scrambles, and it seemed like it was missing a scramble, but I couldn't figure out where. And in it, I talked about how there seemed to be an extra little arm here. Well, I thought this was in case something broke, but it turns out that's the missing move. Right there. That's what I was missing this entire time. You're connected to GAN robot. Okay, we are in robot mode. Awesome. So let's do, we don't need quick, well, let's try quick solve. I want to see what happens. So if I mess this up, let's do a bunch of U moves and see what happens. Quick solve. Does this look like it? Yes, it does. Well, okay. How does it know what side is facing front? Wait, does it know that? Does it just figure it out by how this moves? Well, we'll find out. Is everything connected? It doesn't look like that bottom one is. There it is. Sure, this will line up more once we actually do a couple turns. Start solving. Begin. Huh. I wonder if those first couple turns were to figure out what way it's facing. Oh, that's a lot more moves than I did. That's kind of like a domino reduction. Awesome. Well, that was fun to watch. Okay. Personal training. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it does 2 moves first, and then it figures out, okay, how is this facing, or what way is this facing, and then it does the rest from there. Okay, now I get 30 seconds to inspect. Oh, green looks good. Oh, I just move. I always forget about that. Oh, almost messed that up. Nope. That was still wrong. Well, first solve of the day, atrocious. Okay, with that said, let's go online. Begin. This is actually really nice. So, is it unnecessary? Sure. Oh. But it means that I can just set it aside, do other things, do whatever I want, and then just focus on the solve, which could help with training for competitions, and also allow me to just relax and do other things. So I'm already just going to put it back in here. Oh, completely lost that battle. Rematch. Global 100 point score is an average of 100 best results, not the average of 100. Begin. Oh, I should click Don't Remind Me again. I mean, it's not the quietest thing in the world, but kind of fun. Oh, the inspection starts when I open the timer. Okay. Oh, lost again. Don't know if I need to have the white side up. I mean, it's not too difficult to do that. Let me do a few more solves, but that's basically the whole review of it. You can see that it solves it, just general scramble, but okay, don't show this again, please. Thank you. It'd be nice if it was a little quieter, because it's not very subtle, but it's fun, and yeah, if anything, I can just pretend like this is more like competition based. Yeah, that could have been a lot better. Okay. That's about it. Yeah. I guess I'll just do 2 more while I wrap this up. But final thoughts on this. Is it worth it to get it? Sure. You know, I was given this one from GAN, so, and, you know, I legally need to say that. But if I had some extra money to spend and I wanted to just really go all out with this Bluetooth puzzle, have something that could just scramble it for me, and I could enjoy watching, you know, whatever I want and just like watching some YouTube videos and have this do all the stuff in the background. Yeah, totally do that. That's fun. Hey, look, I won. Finally won one. There we go. Times are getting better. Finally warming up a little bit. I mean, times are always a little bit better on these because the timer starts when you move the puzzle. So you can set up your hand however you need. You don't need to pick up the cube. You just... yes, definitely those 2 moves and then figures it out. Well, that's a lot of fun. So yeah, this doesn't have a battery. Right now it's actually plugged into a portable battery, but it seems to not use a lot. So that's actually quite... Oh shoot, I need to do this. Whoops. Okay. Nope. Shoot. Oh, I could... nah. Maybe I would have gotten that if I didn't mess up. Anyways, end. Okay, well, I need to charge my cube because that apparently didn't charge throughout the day. So I need to do that. But hopefully this gives you some information about the GAN robot. To, I guess, pack it up, fold it up. This goes right in here. These arms fold down by pulling out and doing that. And fits nicely right there. Put the cord right in here too. Although it's a nice USB to USB-C, which I could use on some other things. Maybe I can charge my Nintendo Switch with it. Awesome. Want to really go all out and have something you can practice that's the most like a competition, that'd be it, because it'll scramble it for you. And then you just pick it up, have your inspection, solve it. Of all the speed cubes, this GAN one does feel the most like an actual speed solving puzzle. I don't know, that's about it. I'm enjoying using it. I'm going to be using it a lot more. It's definitely worth it if you want that sort of experience. It doesn't do very much besides that. So it's kind of like whatever it would cost to hire someone to just sit there and scramble your cube for you. It won't probably scramble it faster than you could, but it does it without you needing to do anything. So you can enjoy practicing more and just do other things. Anyways, I'm sure people have their own opinions on that. You can leave them in the comment section below. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by speedcubeview.com for more news and reviews.